of the program, we see that alt plus F9 is the process for compilation, and control plus F9 is for execution of the program, and alt plus F5 to see the result. So there is three major operations, one for compilation purpose, one for execution purpose, one for to see the result. So I want to reduce this particular operation. How to reduce without go and keep not pressing the alt plus F5? We can get an output. How is that? So there is another header file called #include conio.h. So this particular header file is only worked in Windows operating system only. We cannot go for any other operating systems like Linux or Unix. This type of header file is not going to be work. So for example, we are going to work in a turbo environment. So this particular conio.h is going to be work, but in other environments it is not going to work. So why should I include this particular header file? So in this particular header file also there is some predefined functions. Okay, so whenever I am written the main function, after that we need to clear the screen. Otherwise directly we get hello world for first time execution. First time I press alt plus F9, second time for execution control plus F9, third time we get alt plus F5 to see the result. The result is hello world like this. The output is hello world like this. Once again, for example, we compile the program and execute the program, and once again we press alt plus F5. Then what happened? So in the output, see here, in the output panel, we get hello world, and hello world. Two times the hello world is going to be displayed because we executed two times. Means we executed two times. If once again I compiled, executed, and to see the result, then what happened? One time the hello world is going to become. So to avoid that particular situation, we are going to use one particular function called clrscr, clear screen.